Hello everyone, today in this full video we will show about how to fix if battery draining fast after iOS 14's new update. Many iPhone users have this problem that their iPhone battery draining fast after iOS 14's new update. So now watch this full video to learn how to fix it. First, check your iPhone's battery health. So to do this, go to Settings app. Here, scrolling down and tap on Battery. Next here, you will need to tap on Battery Health. Here, turn on Toggle for optimized battery charging. iPhone will suggest some changes to settings that will improve the battery life. Now tap on Learn More to check the suggestions that you will need to changes for improving your battery health. So it's done here. Now we will show second solution. And second solution is turn on low power mode. This feature will reduce the background activity like downloads and mail fetch until you can fully charge your iPhone. For this solution, first of all go to Settings app, then tap on Battery. Now here you may see the option Low Power Mode. So simply turn it on. So it's done here. Now we'll go to next solution. And the solution is turn off Raise to Wake. Make sure if this option is turned on, then it will definitely drain your iPhone's battery. So to turn off this, firstly go to Settings, then tap on Display and Brightness. Now here scrolling down to below and tap Toggle Off for Raise to Wake option. So it's done here. Now we'll show next solution. This solution is turn on Reduce Motion. This feature will stop the apps from using cool animated effects. So turn on this to preserve the battery. First go to Settings app. Now here scrolling down to below and tap on Accessibility. Next here tap on Motion. Now here you will need to turn Toggle on for Reduce Motion option. So here it's done. Now we will show next solution. In this solution you will need to restart your iPhone. So first of all launch the Settings app. Then here tap on General. In General, go to bottom of the screen and tap on Shutdown. Now swipe slide to power off. Once you turned off, then wait for a while and again turn it on. Now we will show next solution. The solution is turn off auto brightness. When the auto brightness is turned off, you can adjust the brightness according to your need. So now go to Settings. In Settings, scrolling down to below and tap on Accessibility. Now here tap on Display and Text Size. Next here go to bottom of the screen and turn off Toggle for auto brightness. So here it's done. Now we'll show next solution. The solution is turn off background app refresh. If it is turned on, then apps are running the background even if you are not using those apps. So that is reduce your battery. To turn it off, go to Settings, then tap on General. In General Settings, scrolling down to below and tap on Background App Refresh. Now here tap on Background App Refresh. Next here, you will need to select the option Off. So that's done here. Now go for Next. This solution is turn off location services. To turn off this, first of all launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on Privacy. Here tap on Location Services. Now here if Location Services is turned on, then turn it off. Also you can turn it on whenever you want. So that's all done here. I hope this will help you. Thank you so much.